Hi, welcome to MasterCadx YouTube channel. Welcome to MasterCadx. Today I'm going to draw the next part. It is a jaw screw. So first I will open the file. Okay. Next I will save this. The file name is jaw screw. So I will start from over here in a sketch, and I'll change the first. It is the unit. The unit is millimeter. So from now I'll start from the it is a point means using this half section. Okay, I'll construct first. Next I'll go to the command because it is a revolve command. Okay, so it is a circular type. You can see that it is a jaw screw which is used in this part. Okay, so this is the circular part over here. So now I'll start from over here in the half section. The total distance was given, it is 138 mm. 138 mm. Next, this half is it is a 9. Okay, total is 18, and this become it is 9. Next, this is a 24. Next, this will be, you can see this one, this distance you have to find over here, but the distance is not given, so you have to see it in a side view. So see the side view, it is given, it is a 12 mm. So it means this is a diameter of 12. So now how to find this is a remaining distance. So from here to here this becomes 6, and total is this one is 9. So this distance become 9 minus 6, it is 3 mm. Next, this distance it is given, it is 10 mm. Horizontal distance is 10 mm. Next, this vertical distance it is the given, it is a 516, means it is a half, means it is 8. Sorry, not from here. So you have to find that this distance means is a 6, and this one is 8. 8 minus 6, it is 2. Next, from here to here it is 82. The horizontal was distance is 82. Next, this distance is again, this is a 8 and this is a 6. So 8 minus 6 is 2 mm. So this distance again is similar to this one. So I assume this is a 10 mm. So we check that because finally it should be touch only. Okay. Next, so this distance is how to identify it. So this will be the given, it is a 8, and this is a 4, and this is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. Next, from this will be it is a 6 mm. And this will be the distance is what it is a 6, and this will be it is a 4, this is become it is a 2 mm, and this one should be a 7. So now you can see this, but other this one it's become a 6 over there. In the diagram is this will be not 10, this is a 9 mm. I assume that is a 10. Actually you have to calculate, so it will become a 9 mm, and now this distance will be become 7, means almost it is correct, and this distance it should be there 6 mm. So if that will become 6, means your final diagram is correct. Okay, now you can see this is 6 mm. So half section is over. After we finish the sketch and revolve the command, with the profile I will select here and axis this one and press OK. Now there is, you can see that whole part, okay, here. So for that one we require the plane. So from the origin I'll take the from middle plane. So we say this is a plane. I'll create a sketch, and from the view I'll go to the wireframe modeling for easy, and in the sketch I highlight this reference line because I require it is a middle point of view. So now take a circle. The circle dimension was given, it is 6, and distance from it is 12. So finish the sketch and I'll go to the extrude. Okay, I'll cut by both sides, distance is odd. Just cut operation and OK. Okay, now if you see within a solid modeling, you can see this is the part. So now the final is you have to change the material. You know that we discussed in the introduction. This part is made of, it is a mild steel. Save the file. Thank you for watching. Next video we will discuss in the another.